Hello.
This is IKEA / MOA hall. So this is actually our main goal, which is to buy a dining set. However, this is all we got from IKEA. And then you put that. And then you squeeze that. And then you got a chair. And it's only worth $7.50
Yes. Each.
And this is budol, like sobrang budol that we bought from IKEA because we think it's the most worth it out of all the out of stocks in IKEA. So it's a two-sided pillow and it's very soft, like seriously soft. So there's a pillow for the people who likes to sleep on their side and a pillow for someone who likes to sleep straight
On their back.
on their back. We got this for $1,690. And it's the softest thing that we've touched in IKEA. That's why we got it. These are our last things that we bought. Well, our first and last. Like two plants. Like this is 3 in 1 for $250. And then this is our centerpiece for our deer table. We got this for like $190.
A bonsai.
That's what he calls it, a bonsai. Does this look like a bonsai to you guys? IKEA is nice, unless it's out of stock. Next, MOA haul. We got a Tough Mama
Rice cooker.
rice cooker. Cutie. Spatula.
Is there a steamer?
Sadly no. It is out of stock also. Thanks, MOA.
Oh my. Here I hate styrofoams.
That's also a cup.
Oh.
So here, we got this for 950.
950.
Is there rice in this house?
No.
A laptop table. I wanted the beige one, but they're out of stock. Thanks, Moa.
Oh, it's color black.
It's nice. Very cute. Anyway, that's that.
Oh, but wait.
We got this
You keep
for
forgetting your progress.
300. Shut up. It's gonna be fun. Next we have an electric fan. It's worth 760.
750. Oh.
Instruction manual, which we don't need.
Oh. Ang sakit, ang tulis. Okay.
We're gonna
Assemble.
it in front of How many course that have you experienced?